Students, very good morning, students. Once again, you are most welcome here. Dear students, this time we are going to study your second poem from the book Flamingo, an elementary school classroom in a slum. Okay, first of all, this is a poem composed by Stephen Spender, an English poet and an great essayist. In this poem, the poet Stephen Spender has described the scene of an elementary school in a slum area, and especially he has focused here, he has concentrated himself on the themes of social injustice and class inequalities. The basic fact of this poem is social injustice and class inequalities. This is the theme of this poem. Now, let's see. Far, far from gusty waves, these children's faces like rootless weeds. The hair was turned round their pallor. Okay, let's see, students. Far, far. First of all, you have to underline this two sentence. Far, 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 far. These two words indicates to repetition. रिपीटिशन एफ से स्टार्ट हुआ है। ये एक प्रकार का फिगर ऑफ स्पीच है, रिपीटेशन देख सकते हैं आप। तो सबसे पहले आपको यहाँ पे एक फिगर ऑफ स्पीच मिल गया, रिपीटेशन। ओके, नाउ लेट्स सी। फार फार फ्रॉम गस्टी वेब। गस्टी वेब्स, फार फार मतलब सो फार, वेरी फार अवे। एंड गस्टी वेब्स, गस्टी वेब से मतलब sudden rush of strong wind. Gusty waves means sudden rush of strong wind. Okay, means हवा का तेज झोंका जिसको बोलते हैं। The children faces. तो means to say that the poet wants to say here that the children who study in the elementary school of that particular slum area, those children faces are fully different from the other students, from the other children who live in a very beautiful area or locality. Why? Because those children has lot of fun and facilities, but these children's faces is looking dull, and the enjoyment, the attraction has been removed from these children's faces, like rootless weeds. And weeds means होता है unwanted, and they are rootless, without a foundation of value. Without the foundation of value means they are growing like unwanted plants, means in the fields, in the area. Some plants grow, uh, some plants grow, and those plants are unwanted because there is no caring for those plants. So these students are also growing in their life like unwanted children, without any basic strength, and their roots are without foundation. The hair was torn round their pallor, and the hair was torn round their pallor. Pallor means होता है स्टूडेंट्स येलो, येलो, उसको पीला बोलते हैं। तो देयर द हेयर वॉज टर्न ब्राउन एंड दोज चिल्ड्रेन्स हेयर हैज़ टर्न राउंड मीन्स स्कैटर्ड, बिखरे बिखरे हैं, उनके बाल काफ़ी बिखरे बिखरे हैं। एंड दे आर पैलर एंड द हेयर्स आर स्कैटर्ड आर हैंगिंग ओवर देयर पैलर मीन्स उनके जो पीली पड़ी हुई जो उनकी फोरहेड है, फेस है, उसके ऊपर लटक रहे हैं। एंड पैलर मीन्स यहाँ पे येलो से तात्पर्य है स्टूडेंट्स की येलो यानी पीला बॉडी को इंडिकेट यहाँ पे किया गया मीन्स दो चिल्ड्रेन हैज lack of nourishment. So here it is says that those children's hair was looking scattered here and there, and it is also scattering over their aloes faces. Now the tall girl with her way down head. The tall girl. Now here he indicates to another girl. This girl is very tall, but her head, her way down head से मतलब हो गया कि her head is looking down. She is looking hopeless due to effect of poverty. Due to effect of poverty. Her head down means due to effect of poverty. Effect of poverty. She is looking hopeless. Now, the पेपर स्विमिंग बॉय से तात्पर्य है स्टूडेंट ये जो वर्ड है द पेपर स्विमिंग वेरी very thin like paper and another boy who's looking very thin like paper with rat's eyes means रैट्स आइज वह काफ़ी क्यूरियसनेस उसके होता है उसके आइज में इसलिए यहाँ पे रैट्स आइज से कंपेयर किया गया है कि उसकी जो आँखें हैं वो काफ़ी क्यूरियस क्यूरियस हैं और इन द आईज ऑफ द बॉय देयर इज अ ग्रेट डिजायर ही आल्सो वांट्स टू or receive something he also wants to develop in his life so his curiousness has been showed here in this line the stunted unlucky hair of twisted bones reciting a father's gnarled disease this this poem's lines fully indicating to the those disabled boys, those disabled children who are studying in the slum areas, elementary school. Here, the poet is indicating to another boys द स्टंटेड अनलकी एयर मीन्स कहता सक्सेसर उत्तराधिकारी ऑफ ट्विस्टेड बोन्स जो दूसरा लड़का है वो भी स्टंटेड है मीन्स उसकी भी ग्रोथ अच्छी नहीं है और अनलकी दुर्भाग्यवश एयर्स उत्तराधिकार ने प्राप्त किया है ट्विस्टेड बोन्स मुड़े हुए टेढ़े डिसेबल्स बोन्स प्राप्त किया है रिसाइटिंग अ फादर्स ग्नाल डिजीज और वो अपने फादर के द्वारा उस अपने फादर से वो बीमारियों को प्राप्त किया है सोज हर disabled bodies means this boy is also suffering due to hereditary disease okay now his lesson from his desk at back of the dim class and uh, the student is reciting his lesson of he had kept his book on the desk and the classroom is also looking dim there is no extra light in the classroom as he the student's life is also very dim his condition is also not very brightful but classroom is also not looking very attractive so one unnoted, sweet and young, his eyes live in a dream of squirrels game in tree room other than this. Now, the poet says that uh, such type of children who are looking fully disabled in that particular area, there is no hope for them. They are suffering from poverty, and they are also suffering from many disease. So they are reciting their chapters from his desk, and their uh, the sweet and young boys are wo- making run their views here and there in the hope of some brightness, and one only they are trying to see some dream for their life, for their future, but this is a dream for them, and they are also playing squirrels game in the classroom, but this is not enough, this is not sufficient for them, uh, like the other children are also uh, trying to observe the other activity of another students, another children. So they are only and only uh, trying to see some dream for their future, that maybe there is a brightness in their life. Now, on shower cream walls donation Shakespeare said. Now the poet indicates to the वॉल्स सावर क्रीम वॉल्स सावर क्रीम्स में क्रीम के कलर से तुलना किया गया, क्रीम में वाइट क्रीम से, मतलब वाइट से तात्पर्य है कि जो वाइट उसमें उस स्कूल में जो दीवारें थी उस पर एक डोनेशंस के द्वारा, डोनेशन मीन्स रिसीव्ड समथिंग इन चैरिटी, शेक्सपियर सेड, और डोनेशन के द्वारा उसमें कुछ लोगों के द्वारा दान दी हुई, उसमें शेक्सपियर्स के पिक्चर्स लगाए हुए हैं. Head cloudless at dawn, and शेक्सपियर्स हेड इज़ फुली बॉल्ड देयर मीन्स उनका सर पे बिल्कुल बाल नहीं है, गंजा है. क्लाउडलेस मीन्स बाल्ड से गंजा से तात्पर्य है. एंड एट डॉन सिविलाइज डोम राइडिंग सिविलाइज डोम, और उनके जो बाल हैं वो बाल बिल्कुल इसे एकदम ब्राइट कर रहा है, बिल्कुल उस पर कोई भी हेयर नहीं है, जैसे कि मॉर्निंग टाइम में बिल्कुल ब्राइटनेस रहती है उसी तरह से और उनके बाल भी बिल्कुल गंजे दिखाई दे रहे हैं. सिविलाइज डोम्स यहाँ से मतलब है कि डोम से मतलब गुम्बद से तात्पर्य होता है, जैसे कि गुम्बद पे मॉर्निंग के टाइम पे लाइट आता है, चमकता रहता है, वही सेम कंडीशन उनके शेक्सपियर्स के बॉल्ड हेड का है. राइडिंग ऑल सिटीज से मतलब है कि सीम टू बी बिहाइंड ऑल सिटीज, जैसे कि सारे शहर जो है इट सीम टू बी बिहाइंड ऑल सिटीज. Bell, flowery Travelers Valley, and the scenes appears that like that the there is a Travelers Valley. A Travelers Valley is a very beautiful ice tree valley in Austria. A very tree, beautiful ice free valley in ऑस्ट्रिया इज नोन एज ट्रैलिस वैली. तो उस ट्रैलिस वैली से यहाँ पे कंपेयर किया गया. ओपन हैंडेड map awarding the world its world, and it for the children this window not this map their world. And here there is also map in the classroom, and in this classroom the map which is like a award for those children to get knowledge from the map. But those children are not trying to get knowledge from the map because they have no idea that where is this country, where is this country, where is this river, where is this sea and ocean. They have no any matter to understand about the world map. Their world, their map is the window. So uh, they are only seeing through the window, and through window to the outside room of outside area of the locality through the window. And this is the map, the window, and the outside scenes through the window was the map for those children. Were all their futures painted with a fog? और क्यों नहीं, क्यों उस मैप को देखें, क्योंकि उस मैप से उन्हें कुछ लेना नहीं था। उनके लिए तो मैप वही था जो विंडो से बाहर की दुनिया में देखते थे, वही उनके लिए मैप था। और जो उनका फ्यूचर था बिल्कुल जैसे कि फॉग में, कुहरे में कुछ चीज़ एकदम धुंधले हो जाते हैं, क्लियर नहीं रहते हैं, ऐसे लग रहा था कि उनका भी फ्यूचर उस फॉग से पेंट कर दिया गया हो। मीन्स उनका भी फ्यूचर जो होपलेस दिखाई दे रहा था, देयर वॉज नो होप, नो एक्सपेक्टेशन फॉर देम इन देयर फ्यूचर। And a narrow street sealed in with a lead sky far far from rivers, caps and stars of words. And the narrow street sealed in, जिस तरह से एक नैरो स्ट्रीट होती है और उस नैरो स्ट्रीट में सब कुछ उसमें नैरो स्ट्रीट में दिखाई देती है, कोई क्लियर एक रास्ता नहीं मिलता है, और जो सीधे लगता है, जैसे लगता है कि वहाँ से एक स्काई की तरफ लीड करके जा रहा हो। लाइक दैट हियर द स्टूडेंट्स हैव नो प्रॉपर वे, नो प्रॉपर फ्यूचर फॉर देम, so that they could understand for them that there is any hope for them, there is any brightness for them in their future. So the brightness, the hopes, the expectations, everything is very far for them. Like that the rivers and coastal areas, land and stars of foods, these are the natural things, and like that their future is also so far from their opinion, from their thinking.